Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest update on Ramco Systems. Friends, I already mentioned about Ramco Systems is very good company on its verticals of business like payroll systems and aviation side MRO softwares on aviation side. It is going globally on its products, and it is transforming who are willing to transform their payroll from offline to online and their works from offline to online with their MRO softwares on aviation side and with their payroll softwares on payroll side. And friends, it looks about it's their attendances and all those things, and it's got so many projects on port areas and CHI aviation. Already we seen some good like good contracts on a logistic company. Toll Logistics also given good contract to this Ramco Systems, and today we are seeing that it got an multi-year multi-million dollar contract from Elberia Maintenance, among European leading MRO service provider. It is also leading MRO service provider in Europe. But friends, during this COVID lockdown, that's they announced for 2 weeks only, and we have to see. And this lockdown will move them to transform from offline to online. And friends, the company said this was among the largest deal it has seen in the aviation space and among the large MRO contract. The contract is for a period of 5 years once it goes live. Friends, after contract starts, it will go 5 years, and it's not a small deal. And I already mentioned so many projects they are taking for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. They are taking projects for long run only, and that is also very good for increasing revenue and profits. And friends, they also announced that their product for Elberia will help unify their operations across airframe maintenance, engine shops, component shops, and supply chain. Friends, I already mentioned that their software used throughout their subsidiary companies, their products in their country, they will use their total software will move to Ramco Systems software, and the technology programs will enable Elberia Maintenance to future proof its business growth. And they expect more growth and users experience driving better user adaptation, increasing process automation and self service. And friends, this is the main thing for everyone moving towards online. Why? Because automation, the products will detect automatically, and that product detection will know throughout the business, and they will know how to react and how to take the new products, when to take the new products orders, like that. And friends, Ramco Systems also specifies that they are looking forward good opportunities in main areas, and they're investing in the latest technologies and innovations to help deliver superior and differentiate services to customers. And in this project, 50 people are working to develop this project, and this project will be used by more than 3000 Alberian maintenance personals. And friends, and the count also 3000 is very good. And Virendra Agarwal, CEO of Ramco Systems, said their sharp focus on building deep MRO specific facilities coupled with the latest technologies. That means they are using like artificial intelligence, chatbots, best in class mobilities. With this, they are getting trust from global enterprises to move their offline businesses to online. So this is the main thing. And Ramco Aviation software used over 4000 aircraft globally. Anywhere app. Their Anywhere app helps reduce transaction time, aircraft on ground conditions, and critical aircraft turnaround conditions. So with this they are well focused and well getting orders in future also, I think. And friends, this is our view on Ramco systems. So thank you very much. If you like my video, please share my video, please subscribe my channel.